Rahul here with Rahul Jaggi. Today we're going to bring to you what are the 4 things you can do as a buyer to increase your chances of getting a house. Number 1 thing you can do as a buyer is work on your credit report. So even though credit report doesn't make much of a difference when it comes to getting a loan, what I mean by that is you could get a loan as little as 580 credit score all the way up to 600, 650, 700, 750. The interest rate doesn't really change by much, but you definitely want to take a closer look at your credit report to see if there's any things that are blaring that might hold you back from getting a loan. Oftentimes you can reach out to credit companies and we have people that can help you with that as well. Other thing you want to take a look at is your monthly budget. A lot of times when you're looking at buying a home, you want to check what is the budget you can afford. So one of the things we recommend for buyers that are thinking of buying, we say get a 60-day budget, figure out what expenses you can cut and how you can go and eventually build your dream of home ownership. Number 3, what I would recommend for everyone is to work on your expenses as well as your existing debts. One of the things that makes a huge difference how much of a loan you qualify for when you're buying a home is what is your credit DTI, debt to income ratio. So that's something that you definitely want to work on and paying off your high level debts before so that you can qualify for a higher loan amount. And the number 4 thing is what I tell all my buyers is be open. You don't want to be so specific on a certain style of house, on a certain street with a certain look. What we tell people is the home that you might want, that you might dream of, might actually exist at a cheaper budget. So open up your widen your sphere, widen what areas you're looking in, and I guarantee you this will make your home buying process significantly easier. And if you're thinking of buying a home, feel free to reach out to us at www.teamrahul.com or give us a call at 996-3633, the #1 team in Long Island, Team Rahul Jaggi. Thank you.